Hey you guys, it's Kayla. Today I'm gonna be doing a McBang, and today we got this from McDonald's, y'all, and we got buttermilk crispy chicken. Yes, you got that regular crispy chicken. Yes, got some small fries.
And I'm her dad.
Yeah.
So and we here enjoying ourselves. So let me tell you, this is my daughter. Whoever be with her, any man when she get 18, you better respect her, or I'm coming after you. Yeah, that's me.
I got my orange soda. Don't listen to him. He don't know anything.
Who? Don't know what you say about me. Okay, you need a napkin?
Mm-hmm. This lighting is great, you guys. So you need to hurry up and fix the TV up here.
They supposed to keep coming up here, Kayla.
We're in the motel room, you guys.
Huh?
I said, I'm talking to my YouTube channel. We're over in a motel room. And when I told them to come up, they're up here and fix our room. And it's taking like 6 minutes for them to fix our room.
I'm going to call Mama and tell her to call me.
Yeah. It looks like they burnt my bread.
What, McDonald's?
Yes. That's not good. I'm gonna finish all this, you guys.
I'm calling your mama now. She's gonna call me now. I'm going outside. I'm going on the doctor and smoke a cigarette, okay? Okay?